Hey, my sparklers! I just wanted to release a short but sweet bonus episode before JCK in Las Vegas, since I figure everyone in the US is either enjoying the long Memorial Day weekend holiday or listeners all over the world are prepping for those Vegas shows. So I'm just sharing a few announcements and reminders in this episode, and then I'll be back with a new regular episode right after JCK. But in the meantime, I wanted to remind you to apply to the Joy Joya Jewelry Marketing Grant. The deadline for applications is this Friday, June 2nd, and this is a very exciting opportunity that's open for independent jewelry brands based in the US. So if you haven't heard, Joy Joya is offering a grant that could take your business to new heights. We're giving away 6 months of free digital marketing services worth $12,000 to one lucky jewelry brand. The chosen recipient will also have the opportunity to share their business and marketing journey with our Joy Joya podcast listeners and be spotlighted as our best case study yet. To qualify, your business must have been operating for at least 3 years, have an e-commerce website on Shopify, an active Instagram presence, engaged in email marketing, and have Google Analytics connected to your website. You must also be willing to be transparent about your business with our podcast listeners and viewers. If you want to see the application, submit that application, visit the website, that's joyjoya.com/grant. You'll find all the requirements there, and you just have to make sure that you submit by this Friday, June 2nd. And I'll also put that link, joyjoya.com/grant, in the show notes. Will you be at JCK this year? Come check out my 3 talks on the social media stage, which is a new feature of the show this year. I'll also be having office hours right after each one of my talks, so you can hang around and chat with me about marketing or really anything. Come say hi. So my 3 talks are: 1, on Friday, June 2nd at 12:30 p.m., how to make sense of your social media analytics. 2, on Saturday, June 3rd at 3:30 p.m., how to do a social media audit. And 3, on Sunday, June 4th at 12:30 p.m., ChatGPT and AI to help you streamline social media creation and posting. And if you're not going to be in Vegas this year, definitely be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be live streaming content from the show all weekend and you don't want to miss that. So search Joy Joya on YouTube to find my channel and subscribe. And also, finally, of course, I just want to plug Jewelry Marketing Jumpstart. If you're a regular listener or viewer, you've heard me talk about this already. It's a free podcast guided program that I started at the beginning of this year, and it's going to continue until July. So when you sign up for the free program by visiting joyjoya.com/jump, you'll get access to the already 19 supplemental PDF worksheets that correspond with all the information in the episodes this year so far. It's also a true stepwise approach, so I guide you from beginning to end through my process. The worksheets also include a ton of bonus resources like templates, screen share videos, and more. When I come back from JCK, there will still be 8 more worksheets to come. So there's still so much benefit to gain by signing up now. And if your summer is your slow time, then that will be a great opportunity for you to do some business development and learn something new. If you haven't already signed up at joyjoya.com/jump, then I highly recommend you stop waiting and sign up now. Did you have any questions about anything I mentioned? Will I be seeing you at JCK this year? You can always email me, Larissa, that's LARYSSA, at joyjoya.com, or leave me a comment on YouTube. I respond to every comment personally. If you love this podcast, please share it with a friend who'd appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe. as well as leave a review on Apple Podcasts. And if you're completely new to digital marketing, then you'll want to purchase and read a copy of my book, Jewelry Marketing Joy. You can visit joyjoya.com/book for more information.